Do you know, in VS Code Editor, you can have pets. Let's see how. First of all, click on Extension Tools. Now search for VS Code Pets. You can see an extension. Install it. Once you install the extension, you will see options for VS Code Pets. Click on it and add pets you want to display on VS Code. You can also add background theme. To change theme, click on Settings. Choose Theme. Close the VS Code and again open it. Now you can see your pets playing on the selected theme. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.